Hey y'all, it's Lauren here again. So I'm back with another video. This one is a little bit different. I wouldn't say it's like a cleaning video. This is more so an organization slash preparation type of video. So if you don't know, we are moving. Right now we're in the process of selling our house and we are under contract to build our house. Our house has not started to be built yet, but they're doing the preparation work and everything. So now we're just trying to make moves, getting everything ready. We are anticipating being in an apartment for a few months while the home is completed. So now we're just trying to get everything prepared so that way when we do have to move out of this home, we're already, prepared. We're not having to scramble and, feel rushed, because that's the worst when you're moving. So I don't know what the situation is with me or my room or my bed, whatever the case is. I'm not sure what it is, but for some reason I just love to fold clothes in my room. My bed is my preferred spot to fold clothes, which I have no explanation for. But leave a comment down below if there's a specific place in your home or there's your favorite place to fold clothes, to do laundry. Laundry is like one of the worst. It's not the worst thing, but it's a tedious task. So I prefer to be comfortable, and I guess standing up on the side of my bed and folding clothes is my comfortable zone. I didn't realize it until later, but I did forget to put the top sheet on my bed. You'll see that later on where I'm folding it up and putting it away in my closet, but yeah, I was a little bit annoyed by myself. So the situation with the towels, I am currently working on getting a folding routine down for my towels. So as soon as I have that down pat, I will let you guys know, but this is me folding towels. Beautiful jewelry hanger for Mother's Day, and I am in love with it. I'm in love with it so much I just want to go out and buy more jewelry just so I can put it on there. That's how pretty it is to me. So I hung it up in this spot, made it secure, and then I just transferred some of my jewelry from my other little box that I had before and just put it over onto the hanging jewelry organizer. So in the next clip, you're gonna see this bomb candle that I love. It smells so good, so fresh, so clean. It's just amazing. And I got it from TJ Maxx. I believe it was either $6, $7, maybe $8. It wasn't very expensive. But I'm just lighting that candle while I go through and organize this bin full of clothes. So the story behind these bins is my daughter was gifted these clothes from her cousin. So the sizes range anywhere from 6 all the way up to 12, I believe. And so when I was gifted them, I just threw them all into this bucket, knowing she couldn't fit it because, she was, I think, just early 3s at the time, and she fit a size 4, so I knew none of the 6s and above would fit her. So I just threw everything in here. Well, now she's kind of reaching into size 5 at this point, and it's, she's almost 4. So what I'm doing is I'm going through and separating all the size 6s out from that box and then putting everything that I know she's not going to be able to fit within the next year back into the box. The reason I'm doing that is whenever we do move into the new home, I can just easily take out the box that has immediate clothes in it. My middle son is the same way, where his older brother, who's 3 to 4 years older than him, it just depends on the time of the year, but he has hand-me-down clothes. So the clothes that I know are going to fit him, by the time that we move, I'm putting it into the smaller clear box with my daughter's clothes, so that way when we move, I can just open the box and put the clothes away, and I don't have to go through everything, sifting through everything. I've already done it at this point. These are all the fall and winter clothes from the kids' closets. So I'm just going to sort through all of these. The things that I know will fit this upcoming fall and winter, I'm putting it into the clear bucket so it can be taken out immediately once we get home. And then the things that we won't need for a year or two, I'm putting it into the bigger bucket so it can go into storage. So at this point, I've gone through all of Jael's clothes and sorted all those out. Now I'm working on my boys' clothes. So you may not be able to see it too great, but I do have about 4 sections here. One section is for my youngest son, Jacob, his clothes that are being saved for this upcoming fall and winter. A second stack for him for his clothes that can be saved for a few more years. One stack for Jeremiah's winter clothes, that's my oldest son. And then the 4th stack is that one on the end of the bedpost, where those are going to be donation clothes. Those are like really small sizes actually, like some of them are 4s, some of them are 7s, and Jacob's 8. So those things are going to be donated to the daycare that my daughter goes to, so that some other kids, if they have accidents and stuff like that, they can just have those backup clothes. Some of the clothes that were already in the bucket can now fit Jacob, so I did take some of those and put them into his dresser so he can wear them this summer. I am done with these bins for tonight. They're actually still in my room. I haven't, completed sorting, so I will go back to that in a later video. But this was recorded on a Tuesday night, so the trash was going to be taken out the next day. So here you just see me taking out the trash, washing dishes, wiping off counters, flirting with hubby, all that good stuff. dishes. There actually weren't too many dishes to wash, which was good. So I do prefer to wash my dishes by hand. Maybe that will change when we get into the new house, but our dishwasher actually doesn't even work, but coincidentally I still prefer to wash dishes. It may change later, but right now that's my preference. And some of my favorite dishwashing detergents are the Lemmy Shine. That one smells so good, and I just like the way the bottle is configured. Also, I like the 7th generation in the orange scent. That smells really good. The lemon Verbena of Miss Myers smells amazing. I love that one as well. Okay, and if you see over there, towards the entrance of the kitchen, there is a monstrous stack of papers. That is mail. And under that, that is our junk cabinet. So hit that like button if you want to see a video of me organizing that section. I really want to get that under control because it doesn't look so bad here maybe, but in person, it's like falling over. It is bad. I've made my way over to my workstation. I'm working on cleaning off my computer, like my screen, my mouse, my keyboards, all of that, the desktop, just getting it cleaned off and ready for the next day. So what's next is I'm using my Shark vacuum to clean out the couches. This is not something I do very regularly. It's just whenever it pops in my mind, that's when I do it. So I'm just going through and cleaning off the bottom, vacuuming off the cushions and all that good stuff. So this concludes this video. I thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and also hit that notification bell so you can be notified of any time I post a new video. And if you liked this video or found anything useful, please hit that like button. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!